Welcome to the Weekly Business Update. We are here at Shine Convention 2025, and on today's Weekly Business Update, we're going to show you behind the scenes here at convention. We're going to show you the new products. There's going to be an unboxing. You cannot wait to see these amazing products. And at the very end, we are going to have a promotion that you will not want to miss. So stick around to the end.
Hey everybody, my name is Mike Mangelson.
And I'm Stacey Paulson.
And we are so excited because we get to unbox the new Shine Convention kit to show you these amazing products.
You want that.
I want to see this for sure. I mean, how adorable is this, by the way? So why don't we unbox some of these things and let's show them the products real quick.
So I've got RevitaZen. Super excited about this. Are you excited about this?
Absolutely, absolutely. So honestly, RevitaZen, amazing capsules. I want to see what these look like, but it helps the body eliminate toxins more efficiently.
And it provides antioxidant support to reduce oxidative stress. And
what have you got?
I have been dying to smell this. So, ooh, that smells good.
Smell good?
That smells good. I can smell like the rosemary and the tangerine and geranium.
Oh yeah.
And as a woman,
tangerine, ginger, maybe a little ginger. That's awesome. That's a great one. Okay. So we got that. What's next? We want to look at this whole thing. This thing is adorable. It is a little bigger than chapstick, but I mean like PastTense stick, okay, plus sweet gum. Want to smell that? Like, why don't you be the first?
Well, I love this because this is the one that we would always put when in our classes. We would put it on the back of their necks and give them a little mini massage.
Gosh, that smells really good. Okay, exciting for this. I love they come out with these sticks. Okay, what's the next?
You're gonna love this. Castor oil.
Everyone's gonna love that. To be honest, castor oil for me, I've never used it. I've heard all kinds of things about it. What does it do? How do you use it?
Well, I've been using it every single day for several years. I put it on my throat, I put it on my eyes with different oils, and also for my hair and my scalp. So it's one of my favorites.
That's
every single
awesome.
day.
That's awesome.
You're gonna love it.
I'm excited to figure it out. Super excited for these products and excited for you to all experience them as well.
Now is the moment that you've been waiting for. We've got an incredible announcement. Russ, what are we so excited about?
So we are doing something that we've never done before. It's unprecedented. We are offering double fast start. You heard me right, double fast start. We've never done it before.
Oh my gosh, the best news is it's starting now. Double fast start, October, November, but more importantly, it starts right now in September.
So how you qualify for this is you enroll 3 people. 3 people with 100 PB each, and then you can qualify for the double your fast start. Let's say I enroll 1 person now, and then I finish the 2 others at the end of October. Retroactively, we'll go back and pay you for all of that fast start, and not even just those 3 people's purchases. Let's say that you had some people that you enrolled last month, and they purchase again this month. You can earn fast start on them as well.
This is available in the US, Canada, and all of our Latin America markets.
Awesome. We're so excited. You've got amazing new products. You've heard some incredible messages from convention. Now you can take this promotion and run with it and be rewarded even more. So take it and go with it. What an amazing week. Thank you so much for joining us. And for those of you who didn't make it with us this year, early bird pricing is on sale now. So get your ticket and we'll see you next year. Thank you for what you do to shine. We love you.